Mike 392, and I'm out here in Choctaw, and we have a little get together out here. I think it's called Caffeine in Cars here, Coffee in Cars out in Oklahoma City. It's Caffeine in Cars, it works. It ain't many out here, but that's what I do. Car checking these cars. I don't care if it's a few or 1,000, put them on. That's what I do. This is a Bel Air. I like this one. I seen him coming down the road when I was coming down here to this place. Sounding awfully good. I'm gonna try to get him to do a cold start for me if I can. You know how I feel about them cold starts, guys. I'm all down with the cold starts. Yes, sir. This is beauty right here, man. Excuse me, sir. What year this is? 57. This is 57 Bel Air, guys. Oh yeah. 57. Right next to this 57 is this. I don't know what year this is. This is nice, man. Look at that red interior in here, man. Sweet. Sweet. Like I said, guys, there ain't much out here, but hey, man, these guys are proud of what they own, and I'm proud for them, man. This is what you got, this is what you got. That's right. Everybody can't afford a Lamborghini, McLaren, or a GT Ford. Cheyenne 10. I see two other cars, we're going to show them some love right on the other side over there. There ain't that many cars out here. I'll probably get away with making just one video. It is cold out here, guys. I ain't lying.
Last month. Yeah, when it was due. Yeah, I gotta go all the way down to the tax commission.
Whose is this? Sorry, whose is this? This is nice, man. I like this.
Mine's not?
Both of them. I like. This is 37?
Yeah.
This is 33. I like it. first got out there, it wasn't this cold. It's cold, but it ain't this. Now this wind is picking up, man. It's nasty.
Yeah.
We're gonna get that engine on there.
Do what?
Let's get that engine on my YouTube channel. See that engine?
Let's just don't start on.
Somebody ain't telling the truth. Look at this thing. What? How many horsepower is this?
Oh heck, I have no idea really. 300-400 at least.
Man, can you just start up, please? I gotta hear it. That engine, I know it's gonna sound nice. Here we go, guys. First start up this morning. There you go. There you go. Oh, is he in there?
He's in there.
Okay.
Pretty good.
Can I hear your engine, sir? Please? I want to hear what yours sound like. This is 1933, guy. I want to hear what this sound like. I got the 37. Let's get this 33 on here.
That's my Henrietta was coming back to me forward. I wanted to see it.
Oh, that's good. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's nice.
Put the AC on it.
All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up right here. Let me end with this. This is gonna be my thumbnail right here.
It's so tight.
Hold on. All right, guys, Uncle Mike 392, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Have a great day and a great weekend. Bye.